I made $3 million in just 6 months as a 20-year-old female entrepreneur.
Behind the wheel of this brand new Series 4 BMW is an unlikely self-made millionaire. But this savvy entrepreneur isn't on the way to the office. He's off to school.
This is actually where I grew up. That's my grandmother's place. I spent a number of years, more than a decade, living in these streets.
Teenagers will just humble you. I mean, at 16, I was just trying to finish high school. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is LindyShirries. In this channel, we make money online. And if you're joining us for the first time, welcome to the family. It doesn't matter who you are, where you come from, and what you do, you too can make money online. The biggest question now is, what are they doing? How do they do it? Do they get help from the parents? What can we learn from them? So without wasting time, guys, let's just go to today's video. The first teenager, she's a 20-year-old and her name is Inaya McMillian. I must say I am proud of this young entrepreneur and the fact that she is a woman and she is not stopping at any boundaries, guys. And she is also saying that being a millionaire doesn't mean you have to change as a person, but having money does actually bring freedom to someone's life. But her values and what she believes in, it is not changing. And I just love that about her. And I must say, this young woman, she is actually encouraging me, because at this point and moment, I actually shared an idea with someone saying, I am thinking of booking a hall and getting people to come and learn on how to make money online, because I believe I have learned certain skills for me to be able to share for someone who's not working. And that person strictly came out and said, I am not ready to even do that. That can only be done by people who are well known, and I am not known in any way. And that discouraged me for like 2 days. And listening to this young woman, her saying that you do not need anyone's validation. If you believe in something, you do not need your professor, your mentor to teach you or to say that you are good enough to do something. If you want and you have a drive, you just need to start and be intentional in achieving your dreams.
I didn't need someone else to tell me if I was worth doing a job or not, or if I was good enough to do something, because if I wanted to do something, I just had to decide to do it, and I don't need validation from someone else, whether that be a teacher, whether that be a professor, whether that be an employer, from anyone. You don't actually need validation from someone. You just have to decide within yourself that you're capable of doing it and go for it.
But the question is, how did she get started? It all started with her going to her brother's room, where she actually got motivated. The brother was advising her to read a book so that she can learn the skills, and the brother truly believed that anyone can make money. He had a note that said, by the age of 22, I am going to be a millionaire. And even though it wasn't her thinking at that time, but now she is actually living that dream. And you know, that just shows that if you are surrounded by people who actually believe similar things that you believe, you are going to achieve your dreams. Going to her mindset, I actually realized that this person, she is very intentional in everything that she does, and she is a hard worker. She goes out there and works for what she believes in, and she is very careful in what she puts in her mind, in her life, and her space. So positive thinking is big when it comes to this person. Before making more money in Airbnb, she was actually making money doing nails. She did drop shipping. She did all sorts of businesses, and that's where she got her skills. And another thing that I think also contributed to her thinking is she actually worked as a nanny for a billionaire family. And obviously, if you are surrounded by billionaires, your mindset will definitely change if you are that type of a person who is driven. Because there are a lot of people who are still working for billionaires and doing the same things and just comfortable and have arrived, and they are not even willing to go out there and make money the same way they are learning from these billionaires. There are obstacles that she faces as an entrepreneur, but that is not stopping her, guys, because she is saying that sometimes when she goes to meetings with her partner, who's a male, they tend to listen to this partner more than her, not knowing that she is actually the one who's a millionaire. So now, ladies, do not let anyone stop you from doing what you believe needs to be done, and make sure that you excel when you do that. The key thing that I am learning from this young woman is learn to listen to yourself, because obviously you will listen to people who do not see your vision, who do not see your dream, you do not see the drive that you have to start what they do not understand. Obviously, they will tell you the same thing, that you need to go to school, you need to work, you need to acquire experience, and that can take 20 years. Only to find out if you did listen to yourself, you will find a different way of learning and start making money the quickest time compared to someone who will go through the normal route that we all know. Now guys, you have to listen to me very careful. Education is important. We do need education, we do need knowledge in order to even run those businesses. So don't drop out of school thinking that you will start a business and it will work without you going to school. So start your business while going to school. And now leads me to the next millionaire who's still going to school but then running a business. His name is Jack Bloom, and he is a 17-year-old who runs a business that makes $1 million a year.
Only schoolyard millionaire. He's part of a bold new generation.
In his words, he said, "I am not a captain, I am not a prefect, I'm just an ordinary guy who is driven." Ever since he was an 8-year-old, he believed that he is going to run a successful business, and he was already talking profits. Lucky enough, he was in that family where the parents were supportive of that and truly believed in him and actually treated him like an entrepreneur. Now, Jack believed that you have to dream big outside the classroom, but that doesn't mean you have to be outside the classroom in order to do that. So he is currently working in his bedroom and at the same time working at school after school. It makes sense because his time is spread across school, his business, and home. So it's very important for him to be a normal teenager even though he drives a 4 Series BMW. His parents run a tennis club, and that's where he learned some of his skills that he is using currently in his business. And he does say that he didn't start where money was given to him. He had to work hard, he had to sell lollipops, he had to clean people's garden, and that's how he made more money. And with that money, he went and invested in order to make even more money. So as you can see, guys, that nothing is given in a silver plate when it comes to Jack. He had to work hard in order to make money so that he can go and start other businesses. Now the question is, what sort of businesses is Jack running? Started by selling gift cards, and then he ran a website that kept medical records. Now he is running 5 e-commerce websites selling different things like your ties, like your phone covers. And guys, that's where the money is. Can you see, guys, how you can make money online? Key thing that I am learning from Jack is that you can still become a teenager you want to be, stay at school, and also make money. The biggest one is that his parents are not involved in any of this business. All of this is done by him. Now let's go to another CEO in South Africa. His name is Sandile Shezi, and he is a forex trader. Guys, forex traders, they all have a story. And he is saying that his biggest mistake was taking his parents' tuition fees, went into buying stocks, and he was buying stocks from Standard Bank, buying and selling. He is a CEO of a company called Global Forex Institute.
I hold on, it loses more value. I hold on, it loses more value. Eventually what I'm holding on to has no value.
And this company basically teach people basic forex trading, and that is done for free. So when you go first time, you are actually allowed to attend a class where you will learn the basics of trading, and then maybe you'll get into an advanced stage where you will go to another training, and that's how this company is making money. And his main goal is just to get as many people to learn forex, because that's how he actually made his millions. Sandile believes that if you want to do something, you just have to put energy, learn as much as you can, network with the right people, and you will learn the skills. Being a young black boy coming from a poor neighborhood, he had to look around and see people who were succeeding and learn from those people. And did it work for him? Yes, it did work for him. So yeah, guys, I hope you've learned something from these teenagers. I, for one, I was challenged. And thank you guys for watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and do share this video to many teenagers as we can. We as old people, we can also learn from them. Thank you, guys.